Yo, what's up everybody? Campsite 12 back with another video. But before we begin, because I haven't said this in a while, from the analytics of the other videos, this seems to actually has some type of effect. So head down below, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers. I'm getting close. I mean, I'm not almost, but I'm closer than when I started last year. I had 172. May drop that video or a clip right there, picture, whatever you want to call it. Let's get to why I got rid of the Q50 Sport. As many as you know, I got the Infiniti Q50 Sport last year, 2021. Originally, I was not going for the white one that you guys saw for a little while on the channel. There was a silver one that was a lot cheaper than the white one, but it wasn't fully loaded like the white one, but it also was a Q50 Sport. So I called the dealership, they answered, whatever. The guy was like hitting me up almost every day to come look at that silver one. I wasn't too sure if I even wanted an Infiniti Q50, so I was like not really calling him back. Eventually, I couldn't really find what I wanted, but at the same time, I also was just looking at Infinitis. I didn't really look at other sedans out there that could be possibly fast. And so I went one Friday afternoon. I got off work, went with my dad to test drive the white Q50 Sport. Ended up getting it that same day. They ran my credit and all that. I guess they were surprised because I am slightly young. I wouldn't say pretty young. I am slightly young. They ran my credit, realized that it was good. My dad actually wanted me to try to go for the red Sport, but I wasn't feeling the red Sport. But that's gonna be on later on in this video. So we went for a test drive, the Q50 Sport. I liked it. It was quick for me at the time. Oh yeah, it was certified pre-owned. It was under warranty. I had warranty on the tires, the run flats. That's why I never got rims or anything, because I was like, if I'm paying for this warranty, why go get new tires and rims just to avoid it? I also live in a new neighborhood, and being in this new neighborhood, there are nails and things everywhere. So it really paid for itself. If you guys have paid attention to the channel, you will see I have been back to that dealership multiple times for various things. Let's get into why I went back to the dealership. So the first time I went back to the dealership was obviously because of a tire. I got my first nail in the tire, took it back, no problem. They patched it, I was out. Oh, I also had to take it back because the front passenger window needed to be retinted, which that was under their warranty. I couldn't get my own tint. It was already factory tinted, but it was pretty dark. I guess you could say it was dark enough for me. So that happened. A little time went by. I went to record an exhaust video and like a couple of flybys, and I noticed on the way there, the car was squealing. I will include a clip now. What happened was the belt needed to be replaced, so I had to contact the dealership, again under warranty, to have that replaced. So that was another problem. So here I am thinking, dang, did I buy a lemon? Obviously they give you Carfax reports. This is where I went wrong. The car was a fleet car, meaning it was owned by some type of rental or company before I got the car. So they had it the whole time. But obviously the dealership took it in, looked it over, I guess their 100-point inspection, whatever it's called, and said it was good to go. But they also gave me the warranty, so I wasn't really tripping because it was gonna go back every time. The only thing is, it was a hassle because I had to drive an hour one way every time something went wrong just to get that car fixed. So like I said, the belt was one problem. I had that replaced. So time went on. Guess what? I got a nail and had a flat in the same day. That's when I did the video of the car going into the tow truck back to the dealership. So what is that, tires 3 and 4? In one, or yeah, tires 3 and 4, 2 of them happened in one day. At this point, I was like, this car's not for me. It's not good luck. So it may be time to get rid of it again. I include some clips of when it was getting loaded on the truck. So the tow truck is here. About to have the car towed. I'll see you at the dealership. All right, a little bit longer. I went to do another exhaust video, but this time I strapped the GoPro on the outside of the car. What I noticed was some black stuff coming out of the exhaust as I was accelerating. that was a little bit of a red flag for me. I did not feel like dealing with the dealership again. So what I did, I kind of watched it myself. I parked the car for a little while because, as you guys know, I have the Lancer, which I have owned since 2015, but that's a different video for different times. Stay tuned. Like I said, subscribe if you want to find out more about the history of my Lancer. So like I said, as you guys saw there, the clip of the black stuff coming out of the exhaust, I can't think right now. I'm watching too much. Like I said, I have the draft on in the NBA game. But the black stuff was coming out of the exhaust, so I thought maybe it could be possibly a turbo failure waiting to happen, because what I have read, it doesn't make sense to me, but you should not be able to hear the turbos in the Q50 Sports with the VR engines. I don't know. That's what I read. Like I said, I wasn't an expert on this car. I thought it would just be something good to get for YouTube because there wasn't many out there. The videos did well for that car, but at the same time, it wasn't enjoyable for me. I'd rather get like a V8 sedan if possible, or an Audi RS3 or Audi S3. That may be coming this summer, but this time I'm taking my time. I'm trying to let these prices go down and see what I can come up with that can take this channel off other than me talking to you guys. I know this type of content boring. I'd rather be out doing point of views, things like that. Back to the story. So I saw people were selling their cars for absurd amounts compared to when they got them. So having the aftermarket exhaust, the spoiler, and the oh, I also had a cracked windshield. Guess how that was attained? On the highway one Friday morning, a rock hit the a rock flew up from a truck. I was far back because that car, I used to hate just driving it because I feel like it was just bad luck. Like I really felt like that Infiniti was just bad luck. Every time I drove it, something happened. So I saw CarMax was offering top dollars for used cars. One Saturday, I woke up, told my wife, hey, I'm about to go to CarMax, get appraisal, see what they'll give me. I went to CarMax. I also have that clip. What's going on, everybody? It is now the next day. I'm getting ready to clean out the Q. Have some stuff I need to get out, like the baby seat and things like that. Just in case, because you never know. They may offer me what I want and the Q will be gone. Then we get something fast for the channel. But stay tuned. And when I got to CarMax, I told them exactly what I was there for. I'm here to see how much you guys will give me for my 2018 Q50 Sport. Yada, yada, yada. Sat there for a little. The guy went out there, appraised it. I guess he did a test drive. They came back with the paper. Asked the guy, is this all, like, can I negotiate? He said no. Shoot, that price was good. I was gonna try to get them for more. But they gave me the price. Like I said, I have the Lancer, so it's not like I was about to get back into a financial burden. It was not even a burden. The payment wasn't a problem or any of that. But I wasn't gonna get back into something else because the Lancer's already paid off. That's been paid off for 2-3 years now. So I sold the car to CarMax, and all right, it's a done deal. Let's see where this adventure takes us next. And ever since then, I've just been thugging it out in the Lancer and also using my friend's 700 horsepower Pro Charge Camaro. Thank you so much for that. If you're watching this, you know who you are. That has helped me a lot too. But this summer, I'm gonna hit it hard so I get these 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna try my best to get 1,000 before the end of the year. I know a couple events I can go to that are for sure 1,000 subscribers, but those people that will subscribe are not gonna be here for my content that I put out now. They'll just be here for that content. So it's kind of like, do I just wanna go get those subscribers or do I not? Another reason that I got rid of the Q50, the baby's getting older, which means I can look more into go fast things or coupes that are fast, but I really want to stick with some type of fast sedan. Yes, the Q50 was fast for me, but like I said, I didn't want to start voiding warranties and things, getting it tuned, getting new pure turbos, putting more aftermarket parts on it, things like that. I know there's great tuners out there, but it just wasn't worth it at the time to me when I could get something that I can really tune and have fun with my friends and things like that. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick rundown of why I did get rid of the Q50 Sport. It was nothing dramatic or crazy. So if that was what you came for, I'm sorry. But I do think I had bought a lemon, being that it was a fleet car. Until next time, Cam's Life 12, I'm out.